Today's episode features a poem about rain. When it rains in Florida, the birds all hide away. The butterflies take shelter, and all the branches sway.
When it rains in Florida, the animals may not frolic. And though our refuge is quieter, the frogs are still melodic.
When it rains in Florida, the ferns are resurrecting. The plants begin to hydrate as the groundwater is recollecting.
When it rains on our refuge, the visitors may not show. But when the sun comes back, stop by, say hello.
Thanks for joining.
See you next time.